Good morning to all my monkeys. Well, it ain't even morning, so I'll rephrase that. Good afternoon to all my monkeys. So, yeah. Shit. I know, I'm wearing a Ninja Turtle outfit today. Well, see, Ninja Turtle. It's just a mask, but still. Hey, Herc. Watch out, Herc. Hi, Butters. Sorry, my cat. Not my cat, but, Mercules! Hi, Pippi. Fuck it.
We're not you.
Yeah, I know, I'm vlogging.
Please, Maria.
I'm bored. I'm kind of vlogging right now.
To restart a guest who comes so far from Boston.
I'll be back, you guys.
You should have bothered.
Betty had to put me on fucking drive.
Sorry, I was, I'm literally out and about.
Betty's like, you got me bitching.
So,
I'm like, what? She's like, you're a
I will
drive
be right back in a minute, okay? Yeah, I was going to go into, Speedway, but that line goes all the way to the back, and I'm not doing that. I know, I'm wearing my glasses today. But, yeah, that line...
The ATM machine, didn't he?
Yeah, that line goes all the way to the coolers in the back right here. I'm good. I'm not doing that.
Why not? I know, it ain't for you.
No. That line is way too long, Dad. I would wait in there, but that
I'm
line...
just saying something Mom would have said.
I'm not your friend, so don't remember.
See, I fucked up, but I'm gonna tell you guys straight up to please like and subscribe. Comment done when you're done. And I will see all my monkeys tomorrow. Because I'll be vlogging tomorrow too. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces, monkeys.